check this out, guys. So I seen this post that a young lady made about how she makes $600 just working 2 hours a day from her phone, right? And so it kind of piqued my interest. So I actually reached out to her and got some information about it. I checked out the information, and 2 days later, guys, I joined that opportunity. Guys, that was about 3.5 months ago, a little bit under 4 months ago, and almost $80,000 ago, guys. That's what happened. I actually joined this opportunity, and I realized, guys, that first and foremost, guys, that digital marketing is a $1 billion a day industry. And what I've learned is that when I purchased this product, this digital product inside of this blueprint that she was talking about, guys, this is what has allowed me to live the life now that I'm able to live when I wasn't able to live when I was working as a welder 12 hours a day, 6-7 days a week. This is what has allowed me now to just work two hours a day and be able to make unlimited $600 and $900 commissions with a fully free automated system, because my business is automated, guys. We're in a digital era, and this is digital marketing, right? And so another thing is that there's no tech involved. So I realized that there's no products to make, there's nothing to create, there's nothing to build. Everything is already done for you. And like I said, I'm able to do this around a 2-hour workday. And I would have never been able to even realize the importance of this opportunity and the power and the freedom and the income that it has bought me had when I saw her create that post about how she made $600 from her phone working 2 hours a day, if I would have just kept on scrolling. So guys, look here. Me stopping and answering that post, this is now has what allowed me to be pretty much going to be able to hit probably close to over 6 figures, guys, within 5 months. And I only work 2 hours a day. Again, being equipped with the skills, the training, the resources, guys, to now know how to market the right way on social media, to now know how to market without, having to get on the phone with anyone. I now know how to attract my own perfect customer. Again, skills that I have acquired inside of this blueprint. Guys, if you want to know more information about this program that has made me right at about $80,000 in a little bit less than 120 days, which is crazy, just working 2 hours a day with a fully free automated done for you system, guys, they just put the word yes in the comment section, and I'll be happy to send that information over to you guys.